magki-claim lang ng check. Wow, 1 week income from I Am Worldwide, almost 46,000. Thank you so much, I Am Worldwide. Hello!
Hello po, amazing morning! Nandito po tayo sa main office ng I Am Worldwide para kumuha ng ating cheque na good for 2 weeks na income po.
Hi, my name is EJ Teope. I'm a former BPO account manager, and right now I have 1 week income of 32,000 because of I Am Worldwide. I Am Worldwide, thank you so much. 1 week income.
Yay! Another 1 week! Thank you, I Am Worldwide.
Thank you so much, I Am Worldwide. Today is Saturday, so nag-claim tayo ng cheque ng isa sa mga tao na nagtiwala sa atin sa ganitong business. And kumita siya ng 11,620 just for 1 week. And kahapon, since Friday kahapon, nag-claim din tayo ng cheque natin na total amount of 26,000 pesos. Thank you, I Am Worldwide!
Thank you, I Am Worldwide. This is my first income, 52,000.
Thank you, I Am Worldwide, for my 1 week income. I have 87,266 pesos.
Amazing morning! Ayan, thank you, I Am Worldwide. Grabe naman to. Okay, nagbakasyon lang ako. 1 week income ng isang OFW. Ibig sabihin part-time. Okay, 148,420 pesos. So, grabe. Thank you, I Am Worldwide.
Thank you, I Am Worldwide. At the same time, thank you sa ating mga BOTs na napaka-generous.
Thank you so much, I Am Worldwide!
Amazing morning. My name is Ariane.
My name is Mike. I'm a former seaman by profession.
I'm a full-time housewife and a former employee.
Ayan, so sa ginagawa nating negosyo, kumita tayo ng
859,000.
Grabe, thank you so much.
Thank you, I Am Worldwide. Sa lahat ng mga katulad po namin na mami and OFW before, pwede mo rin subukan ang business natin. Ito ay para sa lahat. Kahit anong background mo, pwede ka dito.
Yan, grabe lang, no? So, wala to pinipiling profession, kahit ano pa man, no? Napakaganda at napakadali lang gawin ng ganitong klaseng negosyo. Thank you, I Am Worldwide!
Thank you! Thank you so much!
God bless!
Hi guys! Thank you pala, I Am Worldwide, no, sa 39,300 na income ngayon. So, thank you, Lord! Thank you, I Am Worldwide!
Grabe, sobrang sarap lang na as a full-time mom, nagagawa mong kumita dito, no, na habang nasa bahay ka lang. So again, thank you so much, I Am Worldwide.
Hello, I'm Shami Frede Guzman. I'm 13 years old, a high school student, and I earned 206,000 in just 1 week. Thank you so much, BODs. Thank you so much, I Am Worldwide.
Thank you, I Am Worldwide. Thank you, BODs. I got my 1 week check, 12,160. Thank you so much.
Thank you, I Am Worldwide. I got my 1 week check worth 25,987 pesos. Thank you so much.
Last week, nag-claim po ako ng 38,980 and for this week naman, this Friday is 66,145. So all in all neto for 2 weeks is 105,000. And thank you, I Am Worldwide, kasi nagagawa namin kumita dito ng weekly and maraming salamat sa opportunity na pinakita mo sa amin.
Hi, my name is Jonathan, dating machinist by profession. Right now, kumita ako ng 1 week income ko dito sa I Am Worldwide ng 223,000 pesos. Ang best part nito, hindi lang ako yung kumita, even yung kapatid ko. Ang kinita niya is nasa 717,000 pesos. Ayan, so sobrang amazing lang. Kaya kung ikaw, kayo, magkapatid, magkaibigan, mag-asawa, naku, kung hindi nyo pa ginagawa or hindi pa kayo nag-join sa I Am Worldwide, huwag nyo nang patagalin, mag-join na kayo. Thank you, I Am Worldwide!
Thank you,